In this document in Photoshop, as we can see, I brought in the template, the render, out from Maya, and I've simply set it, inverted the colors and set it to multiply, and that way I can see under. And what I've done here is to draw in a little bit more open of a cage and then fill it with a rock texture. And I've got a color map of the rock and then a bump, a grayscale. So it's got some value to it. And then I'll export these out as separate images for use in Maya as our texture for a much more limited rock wall. So back here in Maya, I've got the rock wall, or the rock cube, and I'll assign a new material to it. And I'll put a blend in, and I'll name this rock wall cube, so I can find it. And into the color, by file, is going to go my rock wall color. And then into the bump map, by file, will go the bump. And as we can see here in my high quality display, I've got my rock filled wire cube with pretty good detail. It looks like the rock cube, and it's a lot lower on polygons than the original. And I've taken care to make sure that the wire lines up at the corner in the template and renders nicely and looks fairly close to that. We can do this with a normal map or a bump map, depending on preference here. Either one will work well. Now I'm ready to take this and clone it around and make that Gabion wall with a more organic shape.